Okay, quick video here showing label connector for QuickBooks 2021 edition, demonstrating sales orders. We can use label connector for quickly printing labels using POs, sales orders, invoices, sales receipts, items, and inventory receiving. But if you've got a sales order in this example, and we have here a very large one here, so you can get a feel for how quickly we can pull in the data. We're going to search this sales order and print labels for a couple of these items just so you can see how that would work with label connector. So basically, you've created the sales order ahead of time, and you would have created a label design in our designer ahead of time, and we'll cover that in one of the other videos, but this is just going to show you the printing aspect. The designer is covered in one of our designer videos. So let's say we want to pull up this same sales order in label connector. So you can see it's very responsive. It pulls back this sales order very quickly. All you have to do, we'll just print labels for these first couple items so you can see how it would print, 3 labels for this item, 4 labels for this item, with a lot of the data from this order and from this item onto the label. You can also edit and intervene and print any quantity of labels you want other than the sales order quantity. So there's plenty of flexibility. You can select or unselect what items you want to print. So in this case, we'll go ahead and just print these first 2. And I'm going to just print to the PDF printer from Microsoft just so you can see it on the screen, but this would normally just immediately go out to your printer and it would just go right down through the order, printing all the labels for this whole order in these quantities. Or you can do 1 label per item if you change a setting, but a lot of people want the quantities from the order. So if you have a label printer, it would go down through printing each one of these line items without any user intervention. But in this case, we're going to print to a PDF printer, so it's going to show me that and intervene and let me create the file name. Okay, so we'll go ahead and I'm going to just call this PDF number 3. And it's printing the second item, and we'll call that PDF number 4. Okay, so it's created the file that would have, again, gone to the printer. So we'll just go back to that folder where it created those, and you'll see that it's created 3 labels of this first item, 1, 2, 3. You can see there's quite a bit of data from the order on this. We've got a complicated barcode, but usually you would just do your item as a barcode. And then item number 4, which would have quantity 4 of those, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there you have it. Again, it would rapidly go down through the entire order, send those to your printer with no user intervention. So if you have any questions on label connector for QuickBooks, printing with sales orders or purchase orders, invoices, any of the modes, please feel free to call AccuWare. Thank you.